What's up everybody, it's Ahmed and I want to welcome you to my new channel, very first episode of my new channel, I Really Can Cook. And this channel is just about me, your everyday cook, not chef, because I know chefs went to school, culinary school, to learn how to do what they do. I'm not trying to insult anybody with that, but I'm your everyday home cook and I'm going to show you how I get down in my kitchen. Now, some of you may recognize me from my A. Roberson Media, A. Roberson photo videos, where I do a lot of tech reviews, photography, Photoshop, video, videography, Filmora, Premiere Elements, editing. I do all that kind of stuff over there. So if you want to go back to that channel, I'll be sure to link it in the description and maybe put a pop-up over here, over there, somewhere. I don't know, I'll figure it out. But for those who are here for my cooking channel, I thank you. If you come over from my A. Roberson Media channel, I thank you for following me over to my new channel as well. I really do appreciate the support. But I'm gonna show you how I get down in my home kitchen, where I upgraded from your regular Teflon non-stick cookware that's trash that I thought was good. Then I went and got myself some cast iron, got myself some stainless steel, and I'm gonna show you how to cook one of my favorite meals, as simple as it can be, but it's one of my favorites. Maybe you'll like it just as much as I do. So the first thing we're gonna do before we get anything started up in this kitchen is we're gonna go over to the sink and wash our hands. Not because of COVID, but that's what we're supposed to do, right? You wash your hands before you eat. So we're gonna head over to my sink and get it started. After we washed our hands, we're gonna light that fire, get our ingredients, and get to cooking. My cast iron griddle is already hot, so we're gonna open the meat, slap a little butter on there, slap a little bread on there, and get to making this, what do I wanna call it? Just one of Ahmed's creations, my own version of a grilled cheese with meat. Yeah, I know I'm not the only person who's ever made a grilled cheese with meat, but this is the way I do it, and hopefully you'll like it. And the most important part, we're also gonna add some seasoned fries, and I made my own special dipping sauce, and I'm gonna show you my recipe. We're gonna take my favorite spatula. This is a fish spatula, but I love it the best. I don't know, it works on all kinds of food, all kinds of meat, and I like it better than anything else. Right going, look at that. If you never had a fried bologna sandwich, I think you're missing out on life. Then we're gonna take our butter. Not much. Spread that on the griddle. Gonna put our bread on there. Gonna get our seasoned fries working. Start up our air fryer. After my air fryer is nice and toasty the way I like it, clean that out real quick. Bag of fries in there. Alright. Now, I'll take my favorite spatula, flip that toast over. Okay. Nice and toasty on both sides. Take our slice of cheese. Some people call it struggle slices. I call it cheese. I call it food. Now, we're going to toast both sides. This thing will be ready by the time those fries will be ready. Matter of fact, it'll be ready before the fries. Then, in the meantime, I'll be making my sauce while the fries are getting ready and while that sandwich is toasting on both sides nice and smooth. Now let's flip this golden brown sandwich, see how good it looks. Oh, look at that. That's just about right. We're gonna let that other side toast up real nice. Get our little cream and dipping sauce going while the fries finish air frying. Then we're gonna get our eat on. And the air fryer is almost done crisping up my fries. About to get ready to get our eat on. I can't wait. Countdown should be like 20 seconds maybe, right? I'm not gonna let y'all suffer and watch my air fryer. I'm gonna, oh, there it is. There we go. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Let's get in there. Oh, look at those fries. And you can hear them sizzling a little bit, right? So what you wanna do is, wanna go to your spice cabinet and you wanna get your French fry seasoning. Look at that. Look at that. It's some generic French fry seasoning, but it's French fry seasoning nonetheless. So we want to do that. We want to sprinkle just a little bit on the fries while they're hot. Up, that's more than enough. That's perfect. Put that back in the cabinet. And if you're OCD like me, you gotta have your labels out so you can see what you're getting into, right? Right. Next, you want to go to your dishwasher, grab your favorite plate, dump those seasoned fries. Yeah, buddy. Oh, look at that. Look at that. We'll clean that up later. Scoop that sandwich off the griddle. Oh, nice. Nice. You can't tell me that don't look good. Look at that, man. Nice and golden. The fries are just right. Oh, look at the meat. Oh, the cheese. Oh, come on, man. Here we go. I'm gonna grab my mixing bowl. A little bit of water. Just drip. Okay. I'm gonna take a little bit of concentrated lime juice. Just a drip. I mean, a little bitty drip, right? That's enough. You're gonna take some Tapatio or whatever hot sauce of your choice. Take that, and we're gonna put a lot in there. Well, I like a lot in mine because I like my stuff spicy to where it almost hurts, right? Then, gonna take a little bit of garlic salt, and I mean a little bit because you don't want too much. You don't want it to be too salty and ruin the flavor. That's enough. And then lastly, we are gonna take some mayo. Take our whisk, get up in there. That's a good amount. That'll work. That should work. And we're gonna whip it good. Look at that, and you wanna whip it, or whisk it, or whatever you wanna call it. You wanna whip it up until it starts to get creamy and not lumpy. Yep. Oh, that's the good stuff right there. Look at that. That's my own little recipe. Well, maybe it is. I don't know, but I like it. Tastes good to me. Matter of fact, gonna give it a little taste test. Ah, that's the good stuff. That is the good stuff. And matter of fact, hold on. Forgot the secret ingredient. Ketchup. You want to put some ketchup in it. Where's that ketchup? There we go. You want to put some ketchup in it, right? Just a little bit, because who doesn't like ketchup on their fries and on their grilled cheese? I know I do. So let me get that whisk real quick. Get back to it. Get it in there. Ah, there we go. Right color, right consistency. That's some good stuff right there. One more taste test. Oh, that's killing. Oh, we in there now. Yeah, buddy. Gonna set my place at the table. Bring in my dipping sauce. Yep, need that. Bring in a big old paper towel, napkin, whatever you want to call it. Get you a nice cup of ginger ale, Canada Dry ginger ale with some lemonade in it. Yeah, that's some good stuff right there. Gonna pour me a cup real quick. Yeah, that's the good stuff. can't have grilled cheese without a good little soda to it. I mean, it's not your regular soda, Canada Dry, ginger ale, but still the good stuff. And you gotta have a foam cup. And now for the truth-telling taste test. I'm excited, man. I hope you guys are too. Yep, let's get to it. I mean, how can you mess up fries, right? Nice and crispy. The dipping sauce, man. But, sorry for the sweating, a little hot in the kitchen. But here we go. Well, matter of fact, take this napkin, wipe myself down, get ready to bite into the sandwich. Here we go. Nice and golden brown, nice and toasty. Never fails. Never fails. I mean, I've been doing this for a while. I just decided it'd be a good idea to share it with you guys because I know you'll like it just as much as I do. Again, this is not a nervous sweat because I know my food is good because I really can't cook, but I had to share it and gotta dip it. Gotta dip it. Look at that. Come on. Come on. There's some good eating. I mean, I know some folks like to sit and watch people eat. I'm not going to do that to you guys. So, go ahead and end this really quick. I will give it a little conclusion in just a second. But this sandwich is too good. It's too good. And I really am hungry. This is my dinner for the night. I'm really cooking this, really eating this for dinner. This is real. I'm not putting on for the camera. I know it's my first episode and all that, but this is legit. This is real. And this is good. Oh man. I hope you try it. I really hope you do. And even if you have already tried it and done something similar, you haven't had my dipping sauce. That's my original recipe. Man. Goes good with the sandwich. Excellent with the fries. I mean, the fries are good without it. But when you add something to it, that extra kick. Oh. It's some good eating. So, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this, scarf this down, then I'll go ahead and conclude this video. You know it's good when you're sitting here eating and you just nod your head like, Man, that was good. I mean, that was legit good. And again, I know I'm not the only one who makes a grilled cheese sandwich with meat, or that choice of meat, or that choice of cheese, struggle slices, whatever you want to call it. But it is good. That was legit good. And those fries, I mean, they come seasoned, but adding the little French fry seasoning on top, that's good stuff. And I got the seasoning from Dollar Tree. It was 99 cents for that seasoning. You find your local Dollar Tree store, maybe in the 99-cent store. I don't know if they have the exact same items, but it was 99 cents, said French fry seasoning on it. The meat I got from my local Walmart grocer. The bread from my local Walmart grocer. The mayo, the tapatio, the lemon concentrate, I got that from the 99-cent store. That's the only place I could find it. Or that was lime concentrate for that one. The lime concentrate, and then your garlic salt. Just a little bit of garlic salt, you know, because you don't want to do it too much. I've done it too much by mistake, and it was really salty and it ruined the meal. But if you do just a little bit, gives that little garlicky taste, little bitty twang in there, a little bit of sting in there. Man, good eating, good eating. And then to top it off with a styrofoam cup of ginger ale with lemonade ginger ale. Man, they make some orange ginger ale too. I couldn't find it, the store was out of it, but that lemonade hit the spot. But anyway, enough of me talking about how much I enjoyed my meal. I hope you guys can really copy my recipe. I hope you enjoy it, especially my sauce. I should bottle this sauce. I don't know, I'll figure it out, depending on what you guys like, if you guys like it or not. But anyway, this is Ahmed with I Really Can Cook, and I'm glad you guys are here with me for my very first episode. I do hope you guys consider subscribing to look at what I like to cook, what I like to make, and what I like to put my own little twist on. It might be something familiar, or it could be something I put a twist on that makes it that much better. My goal is to take everyday meals that all of us make on a regular basis, put a little twist on it, make it from good to great to epic. And that meal right there was epic. Anyway, I'll be posting a new video once every week, either on a Monday or a Tuesday. It could be breakfast, it could be lunch, it can be dinner. And if it's a Tuesday, chances are it's gonna be my tacos. And I'm gonna show you how I marinate my chicken. Man, you do not want to miss that episode. I should bottle that marinade too. But anyway, this is Ahmed with I Really Can Cook. I hope you enjoyed the meal. I'll see you in the next episode.